Ready to smash your way to a killer flyer design that'll have badminton enthusiasts flocking to your event. Let's kick things off in Adobe Illustrator. Starting with a new document, I will set my document size to a standard flyer dimension and ensure my color mode is set to CMYK for print now. Let's get to the exciting part, the design. First, I'm going to create a dynamic layout to make the flyer pop. Use the rectangle tool to design a background, choose a bold color, then add some different shapes. Use the text tool to create an eye-catching header for the flyer, such as badminton tournament or smash into action. I'll add a striking visual to attract players by importing an impactful image, like a high-quality photo of a badminton player in action. I will scale the photo and position it creatively. I think it looks great partially overlaid by my shapes. Next, I'll add vital information: the date, time, location, and any registration details. Choose a font that complements the flyer's style. Group similar text boxes into logical sections and experiment with font sizes to create a hierarchy of importance. Finally, consider adding a call to action, like sign up today. We're almost there. Refine the color palette. Adjust shadows. Make sure everything is aligned to give your design a professional feel. And there you have it, an eye-catching badminton flyer that's ready to attract participants. Happy designing!